today's video. I'm going to go exploring a little known area. She's up some nice steps. Got bar 69 there. Some nice little apartments there. We've got the male apartments. Our good friend Billy recently stayed. Oh, it seemed like a good idea at the time. La Reina restaurant there. And then, see, it carries on up. We're not going to go all the way up because I'm knackered already. Carries on up to the top there. It's one of the little alleyways. But this would be a nice little square to come and sit in of an evening and have a nice meal. Restaurant, tapas bar. Let me know if you visited. It's just the back, that's the back of the Queen's Hotel there. And I've just noticed something here that maybe a lot of people don't really notice. Try and get it in. Hope that that's coming out. Let me know if you visited this area before. What did you think of it? I'm gonna go and get a cold drink, I think, now. And I'll see you all on the next one.